Hey guys, I'm Amit Kumar and welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about Bitwise Operators. So bits is an abbreviation for binary digits, and Bitwise operators are binary operators as they perform on binary operands, but there is one Bitwise operator which works on unary operand. But all the Bitwise operators works on the binary digits of operands value. Now following Bitwise operators are supported in Apex. They are Bitwise AND, Bitwise OR, Bitwise exclusive OR, Bitwise shift left, Bitwise shift right, Bitwise shift right unsigned, and Bitwise not. Now, as the name suggests, they are working on binary digits. So whatsoever the binary value of the operand, they will work on it. Now, how the Bitwise AND works? It works on the binary digits, and if both the binary digits are 1, it returns into 1. If any of the binary digit is 0, it will return 0. For the Bitwise OR, if any of the binary digit is 1, it will return 1. Bitwise exclusive OR works on the binary digits, and when they are same, it will return 0. When they are different, it will return 1. So 1 and 1 will return 0, 0 and 0 will return 0, 1 and 0 will return 1. Bitwise shift left and Bitwise shift right both are used to shift the bits on the left and on the right side according to the number specified. There is a small catch over here, and that is with Bitwise shift right, and that is specifically for negative numbers. So Bitwise operators is not so much in use, but we will still see how they work with a table on the next slide. Bitwise shift right and Bitwise shift right unsigned are almost the same, except for unsigned works always with the positive values. When I'm saying positive values, I mean to say that in binary numbers, negative numbers are represented in a very special fashion, and they are known as 1's complement or 2's complement. There are different complement ways we use to represent them. There is another way to represent binary number, that is sign magnitude representation, but these things are quite beyond the scope of the syllabus, and that's why we won't focus on those things. Bitwise Not is a unary operator, and it toggles the value from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, and because of that, basically positive number changes into negative, negative number changes into positive. You might see in some of the developer guides that they work with Boolean values as well, but that's not true. They won't work with Boolean values. If you will try to use them with Boolean values, it will show an error. So here's a table where I have shown you how the Bitwise operator works. So let's see Bitwise AND. Suppose we use 4 and 5. So the binary of 4 is 100, the binary of 5 is 101. And when we are going to perform the Bitwise operation, 1 and 0 will be 0, 0 and 0 will be 0, 1 and 1 will be 1. So 4 and 5 will result into 4 because 100 is 4. If you will do the Bitwise OR operation on 4 or 5, so here 0 or 1 will be 1, 0 or 0 will be 0, 1 or 1 will be 1. So 4 or 5 will result into 5 as 101 represents 5. If you will go with exclusive OR operation, I told you if both of them are different, it will return into 1. If both of them are same, it will return into 0. So 4 exclusive OR 5 will return into 001, and that is 1 actually. Now here left shift and right shift operations are there. So suppose we talk about 4 left shift 2. So we mean that we want to shift 2 places on the left to the binary value of 4. So the binary value of 4 is 100, and when you will shift 2 on the left, so this 1 will shift 2 places on the left, and that will become 0001, 0000, which is actually an equivalent of 16. Now if we are performing right shift operation like 32, right shift by 2, binary value of 32 will be shifted 2 places. So this 1 will be shifted 2 places, which will result into this number, which is an equivalent of 8. Same we do with 32 unsigned right shift by 2, and the same will result into 8. If we are doing Bitwise Not on 5, so this is binary of 5 and all the zeros will be converted into 1. And in sign magnitude representation or in 2's complement representation, this is a negative number, and this negative number is negative of 6. So Bitwise Not of 5 will result into minus 6. You can verify that with help of calculator as well. There are some bitwise operations shown over here. So let's write down 5 and then go to bitwise not, and you can see bitwise not of 5 is -6. So it's pretty much a talk of bitwise operation, and now it's time to see the things practically. So guys, here we are in our developer console, and I'm going to create a Bitwise operator program to show the same result that I have shown you in form of a table. So guys, you can clearly see I have created 4 integer variables with value 4, 5, 2 and 32, and here I have performed all the Bitwise operations, and let's see the result of them. So guys, you can clearly see the bitwise operation over here on the left side and their corresponding result, and this is the same that I have shown you and explained in the table. You can verify the same with help of the calculator available on your computer. So that marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.